Learn English by talking.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn English by Talking. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. Sarah, I have to tell you something. I'm starving right now.
Again, you're always hungry.
I know, but talking about food is one of my favorite topics.
Mine too. And you know what? It's one of the best topics for practicing English.
Really? Why's that?
Because everyone has favorite foods, everyone eats, and everyone has stories about meals.
That's true. It's universal.
Exactly. But here's the thing. Many English learners freeze when someone asks, "What's your favorite food?"
Even though they know exactly what they love.
Right. The words just disappear. Their mind goes blank.
So today, we're going to fix that problem.
We'll show you how to talk naturally about food, not like a textbook, but like a real conversation.
With fun phrases, useful vocabulary, and even some personal stories.
Before we start, if you're enjoying Learn English by Talking, please subscribe and hit that like button.
And share this with anyone who loves food and wants to improve their English.
All right, Mike, let's start simple. What's your absolute favorite food?
Ah, man, that's tough. But if I had to pick just one, I'd say tacos,
Tacos. I love tacos too.
right? They're perfect. The combination of flavors, the textures, I could eat them every day.
What kind do you like?
I'm a simple guy. Chicken tacos with fresh salsa, lime, and cilantro.
That sounds amazing. For me, my favorite food is ramen.
Oh, good choice. Like instant ramen or real ramen?
Real ramen, the kind with the rich broth that takes hours to make. It's warm, comforting, and every bowl tells a story.
I love how you describe that. See, everyone? That's what we want you to do.
Exactly. Don't just say, "I like pizza." Say why you like it.
The reason makes your answer interesting and natural.
All right, let's teach our listeners how to talk about their favorite food naturally.
First tip, always explain why you like it.
Let's practice. Repeat after us. I love pasta because it reminds me of my grandmother's cooking.
Or I enjoy sushi because it's fresh and colorful.
Great. Now let's add some useful adjectives to describe food.
Yes, words that make your description come alive.
For taste, you can use sweet, salty, sour, bitter, spicy, savory.
Savory means rich in flavor, not sweet, like roasted chicken or cheese.
For texture, crispy, crunchy, creamy, tender, chewy, smooth.
And for temperature and freshness, hot, warm, cold, fresh, rich.
Let me give you examples. I love French fries because they're crispy and salty.
I enjoy ice cream because it's cold and creamy.
Perfect. Let's practice together. Repeat after us. I love chocolate because it's sweet and smooth.
I enjoy spicy noodles because they wake me up.
Excellent. Now here's another tip. Use your senses.
Your senses.
Yes. Don't just talk about taste. Talk about smell, sound, appearance, even feelings.
Oh, I love this. Like, the smell of fresh bread makes me happy.
Exactly. Or the sound of bacon sizzling in the pan is music to my ears.
The chocolate cake looks so rich and beautiful.
See? Using sensory words makes your English more vivid and interesting.
Let's practice. Everyone describe your favorite food using one sense.
For example, coffee smells amazing in the morning.
Or pizza looks colorful with all the toppings.
Now, let's add emotion and memory.
This is my favorite part.
When you connect food to a memory, your answer becomes personal and touching.
For example, I love tacos because my dad used to make them every Sunday.
Beautiful. Or hot chocolate reminds me of winter nights with my family.
These stories make people connect with you, not just your words.
Let's practice. Repeat. I love soup because my mom made it when I was sick.
Pancakes remind me of lazy weekend mornings.
Perfect. Now you're not just answering a question, you're sharing your world.
Okay, Sarah. Let's teach some everyday phrases people can use when talking about food.
Great idea. These will make you sound more natural and confident.
First phrase, I'm a big fan of.
This means you really like something. I'm a big fan of Italian food.
Or, I'm a big fan of spicy dishes.
Next one, I can't live without.
This is for something you love so much, you eat it all the time.
I can't live without coffee.
I can't live without chocolate.
Here's another, I'm craving.
Craving means you really want to eat something right now.
I'm craving pizza right now.
I'm craving something sweet.
Let's practice all three. Repeat after us. I'm a big fan of Mexican food.
I can't live without tea.
I'm craving ice cream.
Excellent. Now, what about when you don't like something?
Good question. You don't want to be rude, so we use gentle phrases.
Right. Instead of, I hate it, we say softer things.
Like, it's not really my thing.
Or, I'm not a big fan of it.
Another one, I don't usually eat.
These all sound polite and friendly.
For example, mushrooms aren't really my thing.
I'm not a big fan of spicy food.
I don't usually eat seafood.
See? You're being honest but kind.
Exactly. Let's practice. Repeat. It's not really my thing.
I'm not a big fan of it.
Great. Now let's talk about trying new foods.
Oh, yes, this is important for travelers.
You can say, I'd like to try,
I've never tried.
or I've heard good things about.
For example, I'd like to try authentic Thai food.
I've never tried sushi before.
I've heard good things about Korean BBQ.
These phrases show you're open and curious.
Perfect for making friends and exploring new cultures.
All right, Mike, let's help our listeners order food at a restaurant.
This is super practical. Everyone needs this.
Imagine you're at a restaurant. The waiter comes and says, "Are you ready to order?"
What do you say?
You can start with, "Yes, I'd like," or "Can I have?"
Both are polite and natural. I'd like the grilled salmon, please.
"Can I have the vegetable pasta?"
And always add please at the end. It's the magic word.
If you want to customize your order, you can use with and without.
Can I have the burger without onions?
"I'd like the salad with extra dressing, please."
Perfect. Let's do a quick practice dialogue.
Okay, you be the customer, I'll be the waiter.
All right, I'm ready.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the chicken stir fry, please.
Great choice. Would you like rice or noodles with that?
I'll have rice, please.
Perfect. Anything to drink?
Just water, thank you.
Wonderful. Your order will be ready soon.
See? Simple and natural.
Now, what if you need to ask about the food?
Good point. You can say, what do you recommend?
Or, what's the most popular dish here?
Is this spicy? Does this have nuts for allergies?
Very important. Always ask if you have dietary restrictions.
You can say, I'm allergic to, or I can't eat.
I'm allergic to peanuts.
I can't eat dairy.
These keep you safe and the waiter informed.
Now, what happens when the food arrives?
If it looks amazing, you can say, "This looks delicious."
If you want to compliment during the meal, this is amazing.
Or, "I love the flavor."
And when you're done, that was wonderful, thank you.
But what if something's wrong?
Stay polite. Say, excuse me, this is a bit too salty.
Or, "Could I have this a little warmer, please?"
Politeness is key. The waiter will help you.
Let's practice the polite phrases. Repeat, "Excuse me, could I have some more water?"
This is delicious, thank you.
The meal was lovely.
Perfect. Now you're ready to eat anywhere in English.
Mike, let's make our listeners sound even more natural with some food idioms.
Oh, yes. English is full of food expressions.
First one, piece of cake.
This means something is very easy.
That test was a piece of cake.
Or learning English with us is a piece of cake.
Ha! I like that. Next, spill the beans.
This means to reveal a secret.
Come on, spill the beans. What happened?
Here's another, in a nutshell.
This means to summarize something briefly.
In a nutshell, the movie was great.
Next one, be icing on the cake.
This means something extra good added to something already good.
I got the job, and the icing on the cake is they're paying for my training.
Beautiful. One more. Bite off more than you can chew.
This means taking on more than you can handle.
I signed up for 5 classes. I think I bit off more than I can chew.
Let's practice these. Repeat. That was a piece of cake.
Spill the beans.
In a nutshell, it was perfect.
Awesome. Now here are some personality expressions with food.
Cool as a cucumber. Staying calm under pressure.
Big cheese, an important person.
Full of beans, having lots of energy.
These make your English colorful and fun.
You know, idioms aren't just fun, they help you connect with native speakers.
Exactly. When you use them, people feel like, oh, this person really gets it.
Just don't use too many at once. It can sound strange.
Right. 1 or 2 in a conversation is perfect. Sarah, food is so connected to culture, right?
Absolutely. Food is how people share love and tradition.
In Italy, meals can last for hours. It's not just about eating, it's about family and conversation.
In Japan, people say itadakimasu before eating. It's showing gratitude for the food.
That's beautiful. In my family, Sunday dinner is sacred. Everyone comes together.
I love that. Food brings people closer.
So when you travel or meet people from other countries, asking about food is a great conversation starter.
You can say, what's a traditional dish from your country?
Or, have you tried food from your country?
These questions show respect and curiosity.
And people love sharing their culture through food.
Let's teach some polite phrases for eating with others.
Good idea. Before eating, everything looks delicious.
During the meal, this is so good, thank you.
After eating, thank you for the wonderful meal.
After eating, I'm stuffed, thank you, it was amazing.
These small phrases show gratitude and warmth.
And remember, in many cultures, refusing food can be rude.
So if you can't eat something, be polite. It looks delicious, but I'm very full.
Or, I'd love to, but I have a food allergy.
Honesty with kindness is always the best approach.
All right, everyone, let's do a final vocabulary spotlight.
These are essential words for talking about food.
Number 1, delicious, very tasty. This cake is delicious.
Number 2, yummy, informal for delicious. These cookies are yummy.
Number 3, appetizing, looks or smells good. That soup looks appetizing.
Number 4, bland, without much flavor. The rice tastes bland.
Number 5, greasy, too oily. Fast food can be greasy.
Number 6, mouth-watering, makes you want to eat it immediately.
Number 7, filling, makes you full. That sandwich was really filling.
Let's practice. Repeat after us. Delicious.
Yummy.
Mouth-watering.
Filling.
Great! Now let's put it all together in sentences.
The pizza smells mouth-watering.
This soup is delicious and filling.
The dessert looks yummy.
Perfect. You're sounding more natural already.
Now, here's an important mindset tip.
Learning English is like cooking.
The first time, you might burn the rice.
The second time, it's better.
The third time, it's perfect.
Mistakes are part of the recipe.
Every mistake adds flavor to your growth.
So don't be afraid to speak, even if you make errors.
Progress comes from practice, not perfection.
Well, Sarah, we've covered so much today.
We really have, from describing favorite foods to ordering at restaurants to using idioms.
And most importantly, we showed how to speak with feeling.
Because English without emotion is like food without flavor.
Perfectly said. So everyone, here's your challenge.
In the comments, write one sentence. My favorite food is blank because blank.
We'll read some of your answers in the next episode.
And don't forget to subscribe to Learn English by Talking.
Like this video and share it with a friend who loves food.
Remember, even if you remember just one phrase today, you're improving.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep adding flavor to your English.
Until next time, this is Sarah.
And this is Mike.
Thanks for learning with us.
Stay curious, stay hungry for knowledge, and keep your words warm like your favorite meal.
See you soon.
Bye, everyone.